Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creatingwithelly.com, and today I want to show you a new product that is being released for November. It is Hapiness Surrounds and the snowflakes. There's actually a snowflake showcase. There is another stamp set that goes with this collection as well. But I didn't get it because I already have too many stamp sets with snowflakes. However, I did love the snowflakes die cuts because I think it's amazing. They have so many of them. I have been cutting them like crazy, and so I love that one. But I really like this stamp set a lot, and I don't know, everything about this one, I really like it. So I decided to go with this one, but just so you know, there is another one with this collection. And again, it's only available during November, and it's only while supplied lasts. This collection also has flock paper, which I don't know that you can really see it, but like I said, I have been doing a lot of the snowflakes, and it has like a little fuzzy thing. Like if you have seen the scientist workshops paper, it has that that flock thing. And then there's also snowflakes that go with this. So I'll be making some cards playing with this so that I can show it more to you. No, anyway, so let's just get started with this. My card base is Mellow Mambo, and it is 8.5 by 5.5, and I'm going to be folding it in half as usual. Where's my moon folder? And I apologize, but I am catching a cold, so I sound a little bit weird today. Then I have a piece of, what is this? Crushed curry. And of course, now that I go live, I cannot see where my ruler is. But anyway, this one is, oh my goodness, where is my ruler? It drives me crazy when that, oh, here it is. It drives me crazy. So the crushed curry is 4 3/4 by 3.5, and a whisper white is 4.5 by 3.25. So it's 1/4 of an inch smaller than the mat. So I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna go ahead and stamp here, and I'm gonna put it like so here. Now I'm gonna put this one so you don't get the glare of the light. So I'm gonna go ahead and start using, well, first of all, I think I like to have the sentiment. I want to have this one right in the middle. Now I picked the one that says sending positive thoughts. I thought it was really cute, and I'm gonna be stamping that one on Memento. So I'm gonna go ahead and do Memento, and I'm gonna put it right in the middle. Now because this is photopolymer, I recommend that you use your Pierce mat so that you get a better transfer of the image as you are stamping. So here we go. So I have my sentiment. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the flowers, and I'm gonna do the larger flower, and I'm just gonna be putting, and this is Mellow Mambo as well, so I'm just gonna be randomly hitting some of those. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. And I'm trying to leave that section open. Okay. Now let's see how that goes. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the leaves, and I want the leaves in, what do I do with my ink pads now that I say that? Where is my ink pads here? Goodness gracious, you're going to think that I'm not prepared at all, and I was planning for this card, and now I cannot find anything. So what do you do with it? So anyway, let me just get the old olive. And now I have another pack here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do, you know what? It probably will be nice if I do something like so. And I'm going to do one more here, and then, you know what, like that. And let me see, I don't think I can. So I'm going to do one more here. And then I'm going to be doing another one here. Or let me see. Okay. And then I'm going to be just doing the small leaves here. And I'm just changing the orientation of these. Okay. There we go. And I think I like it already. Now, because I know there's not that many of those, I'm going to be putting some, let me see, what else do I have here? I'm going to be putting some of the, oh, this is malt leaves. I was thinking maybe I could do some random flowers, maybe. I think I put way too many of these. So I could probably, if I put it right in the center, I don't think I like it. I think the way it's looking. So I'm going to go with this one. And I'm just going to be filling up these spaces. Because I feel like there is still a lot of areas that need to be filled. Alright, yeah. And let's see, I think I need something here. And I think I like it already, you know. Now that I have that, let me see if I like it already that way or if I want to add something else. I feel like I need to put something in the curry, but I don't know. Maybe some leaves. Oh, you know what? There is another leaf. I'll put some of these so that it has some hints of it. Yeah. So it has some of it. And this one is just going to be some random. Let me just clean this one for a second. Give me a second here. Where is my... Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, let me just use this one for right now because I cannot find my chamois. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and then just randomly do some, I don't know what are these going to be because it's just putting them exactly on some of the white areas. And just to help me with the colors here. And I think I like it now. Yeah, I think I like it right now. So that is like really quick and easy. So let me just change everything here. And this one will go, oh yes, I like that pop of crushed curry on my car. Definitely help a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece of paper onto the crushed curry. And then I'm going to be using, you know what, this will be a great card to send someone that is feeling a little bit down, you know, was going through a rough path. So I think this will be just great to be sending to people that are feeling, I don't know, a little bit down. Don't you think? I like that sentiment of sending positive thoughts. Who wouldn't need that, you know? There's some days that you feel down, so this will be really nice. I'm actually part of a rec group, and I think this will be perfect. And this is a random acts of kindness where we send each other letters or cards, handmade cards. So I think that this will be a perfect one for that group, don't you think? Because I think it will cheer up a lot. There we go. So don't you think is lovely? I think I like it a lot. So anyway, hope you have enjoyed. Like I said, it's a really quick and easy. And let me just tell you about my ordering incentive. So whenever you place an order through the month, using the hostess code that can be found on my blog at creatingwithali.com, you get the following month the card kit of the month. And also, if your order is $50 or more, you also get the accessory of the month. So go ahead, check it out. Go to my blog to get more details. Also, don't forget to sign up for my email list. That way you can get more news, you can get more tutorials, you can get more information about what's happening with Stampin' Up! And with all the cards that I'm making. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.